Damnum sine injuria. The term damnum sine injuria originates from Latin meaning damage without injury. In legal context, it refers to situations where an individual experiences loss or harm but does not have a legal remedy due to the absence of an infringement of their legal rights. This concept is crucial in distinguishing between cases that are actionable and those that are not. Concept explanation 1. Loss without legal infringement. Damnum sine injuria occurs when a person suffers loss without any infringement of their legal rights. This emphasizes the difference between moral and legal wrongs. Highlights the importance of legal rights in legal proceedings. Essential elements 1. Loss or damage to the plaintiff. One essential element of damnum sine injuria is the presence of loss or damage to the plaintiff, which forms the basis of potential legal claim. 2. Absence of legal injury. The absence of legal injury or the violation of legal rights is another crucial component of the concept determining the legality of a potential claim. Examples 1. Fair competition leading to loss. An example of damnum sine injuria includes scenarios in business where fair competition leads to the loss of customers, highlighting the complexities of legal assessments in such situations. 2. Rival shops competing for customers. In cases where two rival shops compete for customers without violating such other legal rights, the concept of damnum sine injuria comes into play, illustrating the legal intricacies involved. Relevant legal maxim 1. Injuria sine damno. Corresponding to damnum sine injuria, the legal Maxium injuria sine damno refers to the injury without damage. This juxtaposition elucidates the nuances in understanding the violation of legal rights without actual loss or harm. Importance 1. Distinguishing damage and legal injury. Damnum sine injuria is crucial in demonstrating the distinction between damage and legal injury, a fundamental aspect of legal proceedings and assessments. 2. Role in courts. It plays a significant role in helping courts determine whether a case is actionable, guiding the administration of justice and legal decision making. Gloucester Grammar School Case 1410. Case background. In 1410, the plaintiff Gloucester Grammar School filed a lawsuit against a rival school established by the defendant. The plaintiff claimed that the defendant's new school caused economic loss by attracting students and teachers away from Gloucester Grammar School. Key findings. The court analyzed the situation and determined that although the plaintiff has suffered financial loss, there was no violation of any legal rights. The defendant that had lawfully established a competing school and students and teachers were free to choose where they wanted to study or teach. Judgment. The court dismissed the case, ruling in favor of the defendant. The judgment established the principle of damnum sine injuria, stating that a mere financial loss or damage without infringement of any legal rights does not give rise to a valid claim. This case has been a cornerstone in defining the boundaries of actionable legal disputes. Mayor of Bradford versus Pickles, 1895. Case background. In 1895, the mayor of Bradford filed a lawsuit against Mr. Pickles, who owned land near a spring that supplied water to Bradford's municipal water works. Pickles diverted the water on the land, causing the water flow to the municipal water works to diminish. This led to a shortage of water supply for the town's residents. Key takeaways. The court investigated whether Pickles had the right to divert the water on his land and if his actions resulted in legal injury to the plaintiffs. The main question was whether a landowner could be held accountable for disrupting the natural flow of water beneath their land. Judgment. The House of Lords ruled in favor of Mr. Pickles, stating that he had the legal right to divert the water on his land. Even if it is causing harm to others, this cause established the principle that a landowner can exercise their right over their property even if it causes damage to neighbors, as long as there is no violation of any legal rights. Mughal Steamship Co. Limited versus MC Grogger Co. and Co. 1889. Case background: Mughal Steamship Co. Limited operated a shipping business in China, competing with several other companies. A group of ship owners, including MC George Gao and Co., allegedly formed a cartel to offer reduced freight rates, intending to force Mughal out of the business. Mughal sued the ship owners for conspiring to harm its business interests. Judgment: the House of Lands ruled in favor of the defendants, stating that their actions did not amount to unlawful conspiracy or unfair competition. This judgment sets a precedent for distinguishing between legitimate business practice and actions that cross the line into tortious behavior. The case remains a cornerstone in English tort law, particularly regarding economic torts and business competition. Conclusion: Damnum sine injuria is a legal concept that helps determine whether a claim is actionable or non-actionable. It looks at whether an injury has actually occurred and whether there was a legal violation of rights. This concept plays an important role in deciding whether a case can be heard in the court.